The iOS 16 battery test is finally here. What's up guys? So the most requested battery life test is about to happen after the iOS 16. In this battery test we have got iPhone 10, 10R, 10s, 10s Max, 11 and iPhone 12 and the Legend J7 which will be used as a timer. So let's find out what is the impact of iOS 16 on battery backup of these iPhone models, as we will be doing these activities which we do on our daily life. But first of all, let me just confirm all of them are having latest iOS update, which is iOS 16. The brightness is also set to 80% and we are using the Wi-Fi connection. If I talk about the battery capacity, so all of them are having 85% on average, which is not bad. The battery percentage is finally here on iOS 16, which is showing inside the battery icon. So without wasting any time, we are going to be using these applications each for 1 hour. So let's see the real battery timing after the iOS 16. And okay, so after 1 hour of using TikTok, they have drained around 10 to 15 from iPhone 10 to iPhone 11, but the iPhone 12 drained only 7%. Now let's play PUBG game for 1 hour, so let's see how much is it gonna drain with extreme smooth graphics. As you can see, by playing PUBG for 1 hour, they fall from 90% to almost 60% on average, which isn't bad. I mean, they are still doing a very good job. Now let's do some social use, and it's gonna be Instagram for 1 hour. So let's see what's going to happen. So the Instagram drained around 10 to 15% in just 1 hour. As you can see, it's been 3 hours and we have more than 40% left on all of them. The next app will be Asphalt 9, which is also heavy game because of its stunning graphics. So let's see how much battery is it gonna drain. Okay, so after 4 hours, the battle is still continue among all of them. The iPhone X is near to death, having only 12% left, while the rest are still having around 20%, which is doing such a good job with iOS 16. Now it's time to watch some videos on YouTube at 1080p resolutions. So let's see who is going to be the first one to die. So the iPhone 10 is dead at 5 hours of backup, which did an amazing job with 85% health on iOS 16. The iPhone 10 are still having 4% left, this is getting really serious between the XS Max and iPhone 12, as the next application is really heavy because the video recording at 4K 60 FPS drain lots of battery, and I believe all of them are gonna die one by one in this test with camera use. So let's see which one is going to outlast. Welcome back. So this was all about the battery life test on iOS 16 between them, and as you can see the battery timing of all these iPhone models, I would say the iOS 16 has got great and useful features such as battery percentage, new gadgets, etc. But this update has no impact on the battery timing. Instead, I can see a little bit of increase because we have got 5.5 hours of backup with heavy usage, which is totally incredible. Now this was all about the iOS 16 battery life train test. Get ready for the new iOS update. Hopefully you are gonna enjoy it more than iOS 15. Let me know if you guys have got any question, and don't forget to like and do subscribe. I will really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next one.